Hey kids, my name's Alejandra. I'm here with the Coastal Bend Food Bank and we're going to work on our culinary kit. So in this recipe, we are going to work on our fruity overnight oatmeal. So our ingredients for this oatmeal are going to be your oats, your Greek yogurt. It's going to come in a little plastic cup. You're going to have some dry instant milk right here. You're going to use a banana. You're also going to need some cinnamon. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our 1/4 cup of oatmeal and we're going to add it in our jar or our cup or any airtight container you may have. It can even be a Ziploc bag as well. We're going to add our oatmeal in here. And after that, we're going to grab our yogurt. This is plain yogurt, but you can use a vanilla yogurt, or if you want any other flavor, you can go purchase another flavor of your preference. We're going to grab our spatula or a spoon, whatever you have with you. We're going to pour our yogurt in here. Beautiful. This is what it kind of looks like. It's a little messy, but we'll make it work. We're also going to use our instant dry milk. So you're wondering why this is milk but it's dry? Well, it's because whenever we use dry milk, it still has the same nutrients, but it preserves it. So dry milk lasts longer than regular milk, just in case you were wondering. So this is a tablespoon of milk, and we're gonna need a 1/4 cup of water. So make sure you already have a 1/4 cup of water in a measuring cup. We're gonna add our tablespoon of milk. We're gonna put it in our measuring cup. And you can even use this spoon, the spoon you were using. You don't have to, use other spoons. You can just use whatever you were using. And we're gonna mix it until it looks like milk. So let me show you what it looks like. This is what it should look like. It's so pretty. It looks like milk. You wouldn't even know it was powdered. So we're gonna add it in our jar or any container we have, like I mentioned in the beginning. Now that we have that, we're gonna go on with our banana. So this is the time you take out your knife that you were provided in your kit. And if you don't have a kit, you can always just use a knife at home. We're gonna grab our banana, cut it in half. Beautiful. Can y'all see? And now you're gonna peel your banana. Bananas are great for you to practice your cutting skills because they're soft. So it's a great for your technique, your cutting technique. And grab your banana, and then after your banana is peeled, you're gonna cut it in half, just like this. Now, it's gonna be in 2 pieces. You can either still leave it together or you can separate it. And we're gonna cut it again in half. And this one again in half. So now you should have 4 pieces. And after that, we're just gonna dice it up. So we're gonna do this, dice it. There you go, beautiful. You can either grab, your knife or your spoon, whatever you have with you, and you put it all in your jar, like this. There you go. And the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our 4th teaspoon of cinnamon. We're gonna add it in our jar as well. And we must not forget to mix everything together. So we're gonna mix everything. Such a beautiful oatmeal. Great for breakfast, great for energy. So it's a great breakfast to start your day with and to learn more in school. So now that it's mixed, it should look like this. And once we're done, we're gonna close it with our lid or any plastic wrap or any container, any lid you have. Close it up, take it to the fridge, go to bed, wake up, and your oatmeal will be ready. All right? And whenever you wake up, your oatmeal's gonna look beautiful. You're gonna open it up. And if you have any toppings, if you have any chocolate chips, if you have any, these are little cinnamon banana chips. You have some nuts. We have, pecans here. I'm gonna take them out, top it off, and you're ready for breakfast and ready to take on the day. All right, thank you guys, bye.